Good evening. First of all, happy Youth Day to everyone. Honorable judges, worthy opponents, and fellow debaters, today we gather to discuss a crucial issue that affecting us all: the future of our planet. As the proposition party, I firmly believe that virtual environmental education should be a mandatory part of our school curriculums worldwide. In an era where technology has revolutionized the way we learn, it is imperative that we harness its power to educate our children about the most pressing issue nowadays is environmental conservation. I would like to make a few points in this regard. The first one is accessibility. Virtual environmental education can reach remote and undeserved areas, providing equal access to environmental education for all students, regardless of their geographical location or socio-economic background. Second is real-time and data updates. Virtual education can incorporate real-time data updates and expert insights, ensuring that students receive the most accurate and relevant information of environmental issues. The third is cost effective, and the very important point. Virtual education reduces cost associated with the field trips, travels and material, and making environmental education more accessible and sustainable. And the fourth is preparation for the future. By incorporating virtual environmental education, we can equip students with essential skills and knowledge to address complex environmental challenges in their future careers. I have some reports regarding it. Virtual environmental education can reduce carbon footprint by 50% compared to traditional field trips. And the second is virtual environmental education in US reached over 1 million students in its first year with a 95% satisfaction rate. So in conclusion, virtual environmental education is no longer a luxury but a necessity. It is our responsibility to ensure that future generations are equipped with the knowledge, skills and passion to protect our planet. We urge you to join us in making virtual environmental education mandatory part of our school curriculum worldwide. Thank you.